Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all have completed your homework, which we had done. The words with EE and EA. Okay, hope you all have written down 10 words each of EE and EA. That was in your homework. Okay, complete this and send it to me. Today, what we'll do is we will listen to this. These are the instructions given to you, and we have to understand what is being said in these instructions. Say the words, first one, say the words aloud one by one. Follow the instructions and move your body accordingly. Okay, so these are your body parts. We've got pictures here down below. Using these pictures, I will explain first the body parts. Shoulders, 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 shoulders. See this portion of your below the neck, this is your shoulders, your neck, and this is your shoulder. Okay, these are your shoulders. Okay, but this is your face. This is the face and your shoulders. These are your shoulders. Okay, so what you have to do is move them up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, you have to move them upside and downside. Your shoulders, move your shoulders up and down. Got it? You have to do it practically. Next, feet. Where are your feet? Where are your feet? This, your feet, okay, your feet here, feet. So you have to do is walk forward and backward. You walk with your feet. What we have to do with the feet is we have to walk forward in this direction, moving ahead. This is moving in this direction. Okay, and when we walk backward, we move in the opposite direction. Walk forward and walk backwards. Okay, so we've done shoulders, move them up and down, feet also, walk forward and backwards, then run fast and slow. Fast, running very fast, and slowly, take gradually, one step at one time. This is slowly. Okay, and fast is 1 2 3 4 5. So fast and slow is 1 2 3 4 5 5. Running fast, and slow is 1 2 3 4. Okay, then you've got your hands. Your hands. These are your hands. From your shoulder down below your hands. What do you do with your hands? Move them left and right. Move them left and right. See this girl? She's got her hands. This is looking forward. This is her right hand, and this is her left hand. Okay, left hand. So you have to move them left and right. Okay, these are the instructions. Try to do them. Now jump. Jumping is putting both your feet together and jumping in the air together. Jump. Hopping is from here together, like the kangaroo hops with both its feet together is hopping. Jump can be either putting your feet together or one by one, jumping. Then march, MARCH. March is the name of a month also, but here we mean by marching is 1 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Left, right, left. As you've seen the parade marching, it's called you have to march. Move your left and right arm at one time ahead, and then tiptoe. Tiptoe means walking on your toes. Walking on your toes quietly when you move inside a room, that's walking tiptoe. Okay, so read these aloud, all these, practice and try to follow the instructions and complete this homework also and send it to me. Okay, complete the homework. Write 10 words each. Okay, beta. Now we move on to the next page. Hush, hush. Turning on to the next page. Yes, here we will follow on page number 42. Let's write. We have to write this. Let's write. Answer the questions by looking at the pictures on the opposite page. We will turn the page. First, let's read each one. What is happening in picture 5? The girl is diving into the water. Okay, the girl is diving into the water. Let's see picture 5. Here, this is picture 5. What is happening in picture 5 here? The girl is diving into the water. We have to write. The girl is diving into the water. Okay, good. Now turning back in the next. What is Mohan practicing in picture 4? What is Mohan practicing in picture 4? Let's see what is there in picture 4. Here, this is picture 4. Yes, the boy is jumping in picture 4. So you can write what do you see in this picture? The boy is jumping above a rod. Okay, so this is a high jump actually. We can write this here also. The boy. What is Mohan practicing in picture 4? Mohan is jumping over a rod in picture 4. Now next one. What are Anil and his friends pulling in picture 3? Anil and his friends. So there are two of them. We can write they. Let's see what is there in the picture. They in picture 3. Let's see what is there in picture 3. Here. The question is, what are they doing in picture 3? They are pulling the rope. What are they doing in this picture? They are pulling the rope. Okay. Coming back here, what are the Anil and his friends pulling in picture 3? They are pulling a rope. It can be a rope or the rope. Anyone is correct. They are pulling a rope. Now, what are the boats racing in picture 2? Where are the boats racing in picture 2? Let's see what the picture 2 says. Here. Are the boats racing in picture 2? The boats are racing in the water, or the boats are racing in the BOATS. The boats are racing in the river. Okay. Now, where the boats racing in picture 2? They are, boats are plural, so we write they are racing in river. Okay. Next, what are the boys doing? What are the boys doing in picture 1? Let's see what is there in picture 1. Here. What are the boys doing in picture 1? The boys are running. The boys are running. Okay. So let's write it down here also. What are the boys doing in picture 1? They are, this is plural, BOYS, boys. They are, that is why we are writing they. Had it been boy, we would have written he, singular. They are running. Okay. In picture 1. Okay. Now, next, fourth, what are the girls doing in picture 6? Let's see the picture and answer to this. What are the girls doing in picture 6? Here. What are the girls doing in picture 6? The girls are swimming. The girls are swimming. Is WIMMING. The girls are swimming. Okay. We have to write down on this page also and previous page also. What are the girls doing in the picture? They are SWIMMING, swimming in, okay, picture number 6. Okay. Now we can write it on the other one and this page too. Now make one more questions for each picture. Write the question in the space below each picture. Use how many, what are, where are, oblique is, how, why to make questions. Okay. Now we'll move on the next page and continue this. Now we will rub this because I've just explained it to you. Now what we'll do is we will make new questions on these. Rubbing this. Hope you all have taken. You can pause and see the answers because we've written it there. And now you can do it similarly in your book. Write it and then write it and done. Yeah, now we've erased it. You can also do like this. Now we will make questions. Okay, we will make questions. Now looking here, we have to make questions using this. Okay, now here, what question can we make looking into this first picture? First could be, how many boys are running? Okay, how many boys are running? Okay, How many boys? We have put a question mark. This is also because it's a question. It begins with how. Okay. Now you can make more questions also. What are the boys doing is already there. How many boys are running here? Okay. Now second one. In the second one, what question can we make? How many, suppose we use how to make question. How many boys are sitting in the boat? How many boys are sitting in a boat? Sitting in a boat means in one boat. Okay, anyone. So answer would be, again a question mark here. The answer would be 1, 1, 2, 3 in one boat, and 4, 5, 6 in two boats. But we have asked how many boys are sitting in a boat, in one boat. Okay. Now next question, third picture. Make a question using this. Using how many? Yes. How many children are pulling in one team? How many children are pulling in one team? Pulling the rope also. Pulling the rope in one team. Okay. So you can 1, 2, 3 this side also, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 3 on this side also. Okay. Now next, fourth. How many boys? The question could be how many boys are jumping, or what is the color of the, if you use what is the color of his shirt here in the picture? Or you could write how many boys can you see in the picture if you use how. Okay, so with a question mark here. Fifth, here if you use how many girls are diving. Okay, here now sixth one. Here, what are the girls doing has already been done using how. How many girls are swimming? So we have made questions using how many. Put a question mark here, and I have wanted to change this. I want to change this question, so we will erase this, and question number 4th we will change this. Okay, we will make this also with how many. Okay, how many, we make question using how many. How many boys do you see in the picture? Okay, okay. So here children, we have used how many in all of them. How many, using how many. Okay, how many, how many, how many, how many मतलब कितने, कितने. How many means 1, 2, 3, 4 or even more. So today we have made question using how many, and what and what, where, what. And we similarly we can make questions why also, using why also. We've done what, seen how the questions are made, where, how, where are or where is, and then why. We can try using these questions why. We can also write, instead of how many, you can write why are boys running, why boys are running, or why boys are sitting in the boat, why children are pulling the rope. Okay, why here we do not we why the boy is jumping. You can write why the boy is jumping in this case. Why is the girl diving? Why are the girls swimming? So similar questions could be made. Okay children, now you all must complete these two exercises and complete it in your book and in your copies in a good neat handwriting and send it. Okay, bye.